Keep going.
Step 1
Yep.
is finished.
Step 2.
Which is what?
Can you see?
No.
Point the nose upward
right,
with the propellers
right.
facing you.
Well, arm's length, basically. Like that.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Right, try. Yeah, that's doing it. Keep going round. Yep, keep going round. Keep going.
Calibration is complete.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep.
Flick for that. Yeah. First flight of Karma drone. God, I hope this works.
3, 2, 1.
Nope.
3, 2, 1.
Ready?
Oh my God.
Camera's looking at us. Like I say, if anything goes wrong, just let go of it. It's got a good hover, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking Jack Russell, a dog coming. Bugger off. Bugger off.
Keep it up there.
Bye bye. Go away. I am. There's another one there, so I can't do anything until they go away because I want to bring it down, but I don't want to bring it down while they're there. People don't realise that I'm not interested in the dogs. I really aren't. It's looking straight at us. I'm tilting the camera up now. I'm going to send it up, yeah? I'm going to try the landing button, yeah? Just see what it does. Return to launch. No, return to me. It's going to come down somewhere here. Don't look like it. Looks like it's going up. I'll bring it down myself. It says it's returning to me. I'm pulling full down on the stick and it's just hovering. If I let go of this, it's going up. It's going to come down hopefully slowly. Come down, mate. Don't go up. I'm rather worried it's going to go up if I let go of stick. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. And bring it down manually. Go away. No, I'm trying to bring it down. I'm looking for a safe patch of beach here to bring it down on.
Ready to fly.
No, I'm not. First flight camera drone, success. I mean, yeah, I didn't do anything special, but it went up, it came back, I didn't crash. But the auto landing feature, if I hadn't been pulling down on the stick, it was going up. So I don't know if it was going up to get a better line of sight for the GPS, but I wasn't prepared to let it go, so I cancelled it and brought it down manually. Just so good. It's great. It's lovely. I love it. It's great. Ready to fly. I'm not.